Hey everyone, welcome back to Mithun Diaries. If you're watching this video, chances are you work long hours in front of a laptop. You are sitting for 8 hours, 10 hours, sometimes even 12 hours. And slowly, silently, your body is paying the price. Upper back pain, middle back stiffness, lower back discomfort, neck strain, eye burning, mental stress. Today's IT lifestyle, along with a few other desk jobs, looks comfortable from outside. Air conditioning, chair, coffee, laptop, but inside, our spine is suffering. In today's video, I am going to give you a complete detailed step-by-step guide why back pain happens, how sitting long hours damages your body, how motorcycle riding posture makes it worse, how uneven roads and potholes affect your spine, how stress increases pain, how to improve posture, how to strengthen your core, what foods to eat, which exercises to do, running, walking, cycling, what is best, how screen time damages your eyes, why old generation people walked straight even at 90 plus years, and how you can reverse the damage starting today. This will be a complete guide, so sit comfortably but sit properly. Let's begin. Let me ask you something. How many hours do you sit daily? Morning stand-up meeting, laptop work, lunch at desk, more laptop, evening calls, the phone scrolling. We are not designed to sit like this. Our human body was designed for movement. When you sit continuously, your hip flexors tighten, your hamstrings shorten, your glutes become inactive, your core becomes weak, your spine compresses, your shoulders roll forward, your neck moves ahead. This position is called forward head posture, and slowly your spine loses its natural curve. If you ignore back pain, chronic stiffness, disc problems, sciatic pain, weak core muscles, reduced lung capacity, poor digestion, low energy levels, reduced productivity, mood changes, sleep problems. Back pain is not just muscle pain, it affects your entire system. Now let's talk specifically about IT professionals. Laptop itself is the biggest problem. Why? Because laptop screen is slow. So what do? You bend your neck. Your head weighs around 4 to 5 kg, but when you bend forward 45 degrees, your neck experiences pressure equal to 20 kg. Imagine holding 20 kg on your neck daily for 8 hours. That's what you are doing. Let's fix it step by step. Use a laptop stand so that the screen is at your eye level. Keep elbows at 90 degrees. Try to use external keyboard and mouse. Feet flat on ground. Knees at 90 degrees. Lower back supported. Shoulders relaxed and not raised. Sit deep into chair. Avoid crossing legs for long hours. If possible, use sit-stand desk. Change position every 30 to 40 minutes. Movement itself is medicine. Long screen time causes eye strain, dry eyes, headaches, blurred vision, neck stiffness. Follow 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. Blink consciously, drink water, your eyes need lubrication. Now let's talk about motorcycle riding. Many of us travel by bike daily, especially in cities with traffic. So if you look at the problems, leaning forward posture, speed breakers, potholes, sudden braking, uneven roads, each pothole creates a shock wave. That shock travels from tire to suspension, suspension to seat, and from seat to spine. If your core is weak, your spine absorbs maximum impact. Over time, upper middle back pain, lower back stiffness, neck strain. Correct bike posture should be sitting upright, avoiding extreme forward bend, keep elbows slightly relaxed, use core muscles and not just spine. Avoid riding continuously for long hours without break. And most important, strengthen your core. Have you noticed something? 100 years ago, people in villages, even at age 80 or 90, they walked straight. Why? They moved daily, they worked in fields, squatted often, sat on floor, lifted naturally, walked long distances, ate simple food, slept early, had less stress, no continuous sitting, no 12-hour screen exposure, no constant mental pressure. Movement was part of life. Today, movement is optional. That's the problem. Your core is not just abs. Core includes deep abdominal muscles, obliques, lower back muscles, pelvic floor, glutes. If core is weak, your spine suffers. If core is strong, your spine is protected. If we consider the best core exercises, start simple. Start with planks. Hold 20 seconds. Increase gradually. Be it in the form of side plank, bulldog, glute bridge, dead bug exercise, cat cow stretch, Superman hold. Do this 4 to 5 days per week. Consistency matters more than intensity. Walking is best for beginners. It has low impact, it improves circulation, it reduces stiffness. Running is good for endurance, but avoid if severe back pain. Cycling is good for legs, but posture matters. Don't round your back excessively. If you ask me, start with walking, then strengthen core, then slowly add light jogging. Food plays major role. Eat proteins in the form of dal, paneer, eggs if you eat, and sprouts. Try to intake more calcium by having milk, curd, ragi. We will get vitamin D by exposing our body to sunlight. If we consider magnesium, we need to consume more nuts and seeds. Flax seeds and walnuts are rich with omega 3. Try to consume more leafy greens and fruits. Avoid excess sugar, junk food, too much processed food, excess caffeine. Hydration is important. Dehydrated discs become stiff. Drink enough water. Stress tightens muscles. When stressed, shoulders rise, neck tightens, jaw clenches, breathing becomes shallow. Chronic stress is almost equivalent to chronic muscle tightness. Try to practice deep breathing, meditation, short walks, stretch breaks. Mental relaxation reduces physical pain. Here is a daily routine plan for IT professionals. In the morning, try to do 5 minutes of stretching, 10 minutes of walking. During work, break every 30 to 40 minutes. Stand and stretch. In the evening, try to do core workout 50 minutes. Also try to add some light walk. In the weekend, try to do a long walk or cycling. Try to expose your body to sun so that we get enough vitamin D. Small habits will lead to bigger change. Here are a few warning signs and you need to consult a doctor if pain radiates to legs, numbness, tingling, severe night pain, loss of bladder control. Don't ignore serious symptoms. Here is a strong message. Your salary is important, your career is important, but your spine, that is your real support system. Without health, nothing else matters. Start today, not tomorrow. Stand up right now, roll your shoulders back, lift your chest, take a deep breath. This is your reset. If this video helped you, share it with your IT friends, share it with your office colleagues. Let's build a healthy tech community. This is Mithun and this is Mithun Diaries. Stay strong, stay active, and take care of your back. See you in the next video. Until then, take care of yourself and have a great day. Bye bye.